Hey, what's up? Have you heard about KZ Company? This is one of my favorite earbuds manufacturers. Unfortunately, not many people know about this brand. KZ is one of the few companies that focuses on sound quality. So the new wireless earbuds KZ-Z1 have a very good sound, but there are also some drawbacks. Let's talk about them. But first, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers. This is a box of KZ-Z1 wireless earbuds. There's only KZ logo on the front side. On the back there's information about manufacturer, while the main specifications are on the side face. Inside the box you will find the charging case with earbuds, micro USB charging cable, and extra ear tips of different size. There's also a lot of paper, such as user manual, warranty, and so on. By the way, I forgot to tell you the price of KZ-Z1. You can buy these earbuds for $34 on AliExpress. I will leave the link in description under the video. I like KZ earbuds because they look very interesting. As you can see, KZ-Z1 have an unusual shape. The manufacturer says it is perfect earbud shape for the ears, so they are very comfortable. I agree with them. The earbuds are really good in my ears. However, don't forget to choose the right silicone ear tips so the earbuds don't fall out of your ears. By the way, the ear tips are white. I think black would be better. The weight of one earbud is 5 grams. The weight of charging case with earbuds inside is 60 grams. As you can see, each earbud has KZ logo and LED indicator on the outside. There is also a touch control button. On the inside, there are 2 charging contacts. The microphone hole is here. Talking about charging case, it is quite big. However, the battery capacity is almost the same as the other earbuds charging cases. To be honest, I don't know why it's bigger. For example, I have tested TWS Stick the last week. Its charging case has almost the same battery capacity as KZ-Z1, but it is much smaller. Micro USB charging port is located on the right side, but not on the back as usual. Yes, KZ-Z1 has only micro USB charging port, not USB Type-C. I could forgive micro USB in 2019, but not in 2020. I hope that the next year the manufacturers will forget about micro USB forever. Okay, now let's connect the earbuds to smartphone and talk about sound quality. KZ-Z1 earbuds have a master and slave mode. It means that you can use both earbuds or only one of them. To connect the earbuds to smartphone, you just need to take them out of charging case. Go to Bluetooth settings on your phone and choose KZ-Z1. That's all. You will not need to connect them to smartphone again when you take the earbuds out of charging case the next time. They will be automatically connected to your mobile device. As I already said, KZ-Z1 have touch control buttons. You can pause the music with single tap on any earbud. Double tap on the right earbud to play the next song and on the left one to play the previous song. The triple tap activates gaming mode. By the way, the game mode is another feature of KZ-Z1. I know that many TWS earbuds in 2020 have game mode, but it is really a good feature. Gaming mode reduces the latency while playing games and watching videos. Finally, let's talk about sound quality. KZ-Z1 earbuds are equipped with 10mm dynamic driver. As I said before, I like KZ earbuds because of interesting ergonomic design and sound quality. The sound quality of KZ-Z1 is great. I especially like the bass. It is quite strong, and you feel it when you listen to electronic music. Fans of good bass will appreciate these earbuds. Also, I didn't notice any problems with vocal. I listened to podcasts and the voice is clean and pleasant. That's very good. However, the main problem of KZ-Z1 earbuds is battery life. They have only 2 hours of playtime on a single charge. You know, the other wireless earbuds in 2020 have 4 hours of battery life or even more. However, KZ-Z1 provides only 2 hours of playtime, and this is at 50% of volume. One earbud has 30 mAh battery, while the charging case is 400 mAh. The battery life with charging case is about 20 hours. So KZ-Z1 could be among the best wireless earbuds up to $50 because they have a comfortable ergonomic design as well as excellent sound quality. However, the earbuds have many drawbacks, such as only 2 hours of battery life on a single charge, micro USB charging port, and no volume control. If you value sound quality and comfort in wireless earbuds, you can buy KZ-Z1. The price is quite attractive, $34. Thank you for watching. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.